right. John Deere 4640. Super clean. Especially on these, you don't see a lot of that people always repaint them, what have you. This tractor still retains the original paint. This is a two-owner tractor. 5,700 original hours on it. The top end has been gone through. Just a very, very clean tractor. We do have the duals for it. Obviously, they're an axle mount dual. 3 sets of hydraulics there. Rubber's actually pretty decent yet. This thing does run awesome. No leaks, anything. As you can see, go to our website, uniqueclassiccars.com, and look at the still pictures. I got a few close-ups of the motor there, just to show how clean that motor is. I'm going to have my son start it up here. So you can see, not smoking after initial startup. Just a clean tractor ready for work. Tractor did have also a new cab kit put in a number of years ago, and it still looks brand new. Again, look at the still pictures. Very, very clean for a two-owner tractor. Has not been worked on a large farm. It was pretty much a hobby farm it was all used for. John Deere 4640.